This master's degree is great.
There are several attractive points.
It has a unique placement of bringing together art and technology, and specifically for interactive applications.
I felt like an upgrade for all the things that I love to do.
And I found VR, AR very attractive.
We encourage students to have practical projects at each stage.
It's really great if you come up with your own set of skills that can be applied and extended.
To work with those and to create more immersive sensorial experiences.
The ideal of the PMA master is to be the best. I think the best part of CINETic and this master are the people.
It's special because of the teachers, because they are expressing their passion about the things they are teaching.
We started from the premise, what would we like to learn if we were the students now?
One of the main opportunities of this master's program is to collaborate with international institutions.
The biggest one was the one presented for Fête de Lumière in Lyon last year.
I've definitely worked on things that I wasn't imagining working before.
We need this kind of master's degree in our country, in Romania, because we need to stay connected with the world.
What is the most urgent idea you have to share with the world? What is the most innovative way you can spell it out? And what is the most playful manner the audience could experience it?
We take a look in the interactive storytelling for digital mediums.
Be they installations or performances or intermedia experiences and so on.
It was like having the key to the toy store.